Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your fellow engineer, and today we will solve problem number 5, longest palindromic substring. You can say in the description, given a string x returning the longest palindromic substring in x, have two symbol. Symbol 1 have input x, we have PAD, and the output is PAB. Explanation APA is also valid. It's in example 2, CBBD, output is PP. Yeah, so you can say in a substring, longest substring is PAB and no A. Yes, so APA. Example 2, we have substring APB and no C, no T. So to solve this problem, we'll use the two pointer technique, but instead of the traditional sliding window where we move from the outside in, we are going to expand from the center outward. So here why, as we integrate through the string without for loop, we check index at the potential center. From this center, our left and right pointer step outward to check throwing character. So I will write some example for you. Okay. For example, we have A, B, A, B, C, B. Let's say for some reason this is, and we will use two pointer, but we don't run the outside to the center, but we will run the head to the tail, but each pointer will run. For example, we have two pointer in left and right, and we'll for example we run what we stay here. We will run pointer left, go to the left, and pointer right, go to the right. Yes. And we check if left and right is compare is equal, and we will pop this substring out, and yeah, we return it. So that is my idea, and but we don't know this substring is odd or even, so we have to check two case, and this is the code. Okay, so in this problem, we will create two variable a result equal string and result length 0, and we will use for loop to get the index of the string for I in range. Next, we will wait to pointer left and right, and we will start in the first index, right, and we will while loop to check the condition while left uh, lower and bigger and equal 0, and y bigger sorry no f is bigger than 0 and y is smaller, yeah, or lower than string, and um, that's why the value right and left is equal, and we will check if the result length and equal the distance from between left and right. Yeah, you notice I will just I have explained it yesterday. Yeah, so I will check because if the result length is bigger than the distance from between the right and left, we will not change the value of the result. So in this, we will um, add the value to the result. So equal use from the left, we will add the value between the left and right. That's one. Now, why we plus one? Because in this syntax, if we just write this, if we run, for example, left is sending index 0 and right is sending index 3. But when we write this syntax, if we run from index 0 to index 2, we have to add 1. So we will calculate the result length and equal 5 minus left plus 1. After that, we will move left equal 1, 5 plus 1. Why we left is minus 1 and right is minus 1. For example, if in the fourth loop, right and left is standing here, and we have to run left is 5 minus the index, 5 minus 1. Go back to the previous index, yes, and plus 1 right here. I will check if uh, if the value of index left is equal value of index right or not. So in the loop, first loop, we will run index water left and right. Index first loop index is 0, so we run left and right, and we will check. Okay, left and right is equal, so write the result. So in the first loop is 8, but when we minus left right here out of the string, and we'll break the loop, and we will run the index until the index 1. Yeah. So next, I will see the case of string and even string. Left, right, next, right, y, that's 1, y, left. I will copy it. Okay. Right. If I will copy it. Actually, it's the same here. I'll just change the value of right and left in the first when we create send a value equal return. That's invalid syntax. I'm sorry. When I talk, I usually write what I talk not define. What? Oh, sorry. Results. Let's work. Tell me something. Time limited. What happened? Oh, sorry. Here. Mm. Oh, sorry. In this kind when forgot. Sorry. Dang. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Do you like this? My solution? Yeah. So if you have any question or feedback, or you have another solution is greater or faster than mine, please comment below. Okay. So I will see. Sorry. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.